Hello, thank you so much for being patient with me in my Peeves tips and tricks. It is still on hold for a while as I have finally come out with my third book. It's a 348-page book on physical and energetic nutrition called Reboot, Reclaim, and Refocus Nutrition. I am also starting a podcast called The Looking Veil. We have a team of 4 people and it's super exciting. So this is a podcast that's going to be quite different and a lot of fun and very informative and very helpful in people in their personal growth and better understanding the world around them. And also come join me with my active channel called Nutrition Strategies. And at the end of this, there will be QR codes and all of that, so you can easily sign up. The Nutrition Strategy channel is an extension of the book. I didn't want to write a 1,000-page book. And I decided to do a channel in order to share with you the things that I did not put in the book and are way beyond the books. Not in the book will be covered in the Nutrition Strategy channel over time. Again, thank you so much for your patience. I have so much going on. I'm working on a 4th book. I've got my team of 4 people. We're getting the website all up and everything running. So please check it out. And I look forward to seeing you over at my Nutrition Strategy channel. And I will get back to the Peeves tips and tricks. I thank you so much. You guys are fabulous. Thanks for sticking with me. It's been quite the journey learning all this stuff. And please take excellent care of yourself. Thank you.